On the screen, you can see how we are creating a website for Bitcoin or USDT investment, essentially a crypto investment website. On the screen, you can see some dollars being shown. I'll show you the interface of this script, and if you want to create something similar, you can contact me. Let's talk about the interface for now. Here you can see that the cash balance is $6 and the recharge balance is $220. The cash balance will be earned from the product plans you choose for BTC investment or any other crypto investment plans. The earnings from these plans will be added to the cash balance. The recharge balance, on the other hand, is the amount you have deposited or added yourself. In this script, let's take a look at our homepage where we can check the orders we've made, the plans we've purchased, and the prices at which we've purchased them. Currently, I haven't set the BTC price here. Instead, I've set a default price in dollars. You can use this script from any country and earn in BTC. You can also create investment plans for your users, as shown here. For example, I've created a plan for $55 that lasts for 59 days, and every day you will receive $1.9, totaling $112 by the end. If I want to purchase this plan, I click on it, then click OK, and the purchase is completed. Similarly, I'll show you the admin panel to see if the order has been placed. I'll log in to the admin panel to show you. If you need this script, you can message me on WhatsApp. You'll need to install the WhatsApp application. You can message me on this number from any country. In the admin panel, you can see options for user management where we can view user data such as their number, name, password, and balance. Our task is to check the orders. Here is the order history. I'll check the orders that have come in. Today's date is July 6th, so I'll approve today's orders. You can see here that I have approved the order. Now, going back, you can see that no matter which country you are from, the default currency will be dollars. You can change this currency, but there will be an additional charge for that. Here is your BTC QR code and your BTC address. You can copy the wallet address from here, and then the user will send the amount in BTC. After sending, the user will upload a screenshot of the BTC transaction here. For example, as soon as I upload the screenshot and submit it, my request will go to the admin panel. Let's check the admin panel. You can see the request has come in for July 6th. I'll approve it. The request is now approved. Now, let's check if the amount has been added to my account. I'll log in again to check. You can see that the amount has been added to my account, which is now $250+. So, how to install this script and how you can purchase it, I'll tell you the details personally. Please contact me and I'll let you know how to create it and the price for the script. Thank you.